Hello, this is Imran and welcome to this ClickFunnels review video. And this particular video is a continuation of the Actionetics walkthrough video. So if you have not watched part one, please go ahead and do so. There's some links below or somewhere. Please go check out part one because it is a walkthrough of all of the functionality of Actionetics and how to use it. Having said that, let me bring back Russell Brunson so that he can continue on talking about email broadcasts and action funnels and so forth. Okay, thank you.
Okay, next thing I want to show you is how to do an email broadcast. So the first step, you come right here and you click on Add New Email Broadcast. After I've clicked on that, it'll give me the ability now to set up everything I need for that email broadcast. So the first step is a subject line. So check out this awesome email. Okay, who's it going to be from? So my name. What email list do I want to send it to? Just click on here, it shows you all your different email lists. So I'm going to send it just to my seed list. Okay, and like I said, do I want to send this now or later? So I'm probably going to be sending this now. So leave it here. If I want to send it later, I click here and it'll give me the ability to pick when I want that to actually go out. I'm going to send it now. Then I click down here and here's some different email templates that are in here. So you can pick one that you like. So I'm just going to grab one real quick. Let's say I use this template. So I click on that, and now I can see my email, a little demo, a little preview of it here, right? Now I'm gonna show you how cool this is, the ClickFunnels and the Actionetics email editor. So I click right here on Open Email Editor, and you'll see that now, just like the ClickFunnels editor, I have an editor, I can edit these emails and make them look pretty amazing. So they're pretty cool. So the first thing is I can come down. So let's just say I'm gonna come here and I can delete this row. So I'll delete this. Let's say I want to come down, I want to add something. So I come to the bottom and say add new row. So you want it to be 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. So let's say I add 3 rows. I got this right here. I'm gonna move it up to the very top so I can have it for my new top header. So like these little arrows, it'll move it up to the top. I got here, I can click on add new element. I can add a text headline, an image element, a button, a divider, a bullet point, a calendar, or social media links. In the future, we'll add more options, but these are the core ones right now. So I'm gonna add an image. So I have an image here, and I can go in here, I can put in, let's say, one of my logos, or I can put in whatever I want there. So I'm gonna come down here and just grab my logo just to save us time for this video, but you guys will see how it all works. So I paste my logo in here. Now I have my logo there, and I can add an element here if I wanted to add a button. You know, so I want to say, buy my stuff now. I can have the button go to whatever, right? Like, let's say it's eBay. Oops. Something like that. And I can have a little button here. I can make it, I can shrink my button size down, things like that. And I can add in, let's say, a divider. Now, obviously, this isn't a good good email design, having logo, button, divider, but just to show you guys how simple it is to work, that I can save this email. I can click on preview. It'll pop out. I can see, oh, that's what my email looks like. Looks pretty cool. I can change it if I need to, but that's just kind of how it works. Just like the ClickFunnels editor. It's very simple and easy to go and edit. For me, it's a lot of fun. Don't you love Actionetics? Okay, so I got that, and I'm going to delete this top bar because it turned out not cool, but hopefully illustrated what we needed to do. I can come through, I can delete different things, but I'm just going to save that now. I can also edit the pre-header. Sometimes if you look at an email that comes through on your phone, you'll see like a pre-header where it starts showing the first couple lines. If you want to do this, you can use this as almost like a second headline. So I'll say something like be sure to open this email because it's awesome. And now when someone sees that inside there, they'll see the from name. So my from name, my subject line, plus they'll see this first line. So I can edit that here, which is kind of cool. Otherwise, the email editor will kind of pull some random line out of here. And sometimes they pull in stuff that you don't really want. So it's kind of cool to have the pre-header here. Also your page settings, if you want to change the fonts, the background color, things like that are all here as well. But that is how simple it is to edit emails inside the ClickFunnels email editor. Now I have it done. Let's say, okay, I want to broadcast this. So I'm going to say, send it now. So I click right here on send email, and the seed list that I chose, it's instantly going to go and send out that email to the seed list. If I scroll down here, you'll see here to send emails, Actionetics, sending now. And so as they start coming in, you'll see how many people open, how many clicks, what the conversion rates were, and you'll be able to kind of see those things on your email broadcast. And so that is how we do an actual email broadcast inside of ClickFunnels. I then go to my actual email and I can see, boom, there is the email. Look how awesome and amazing it looks. So that's how simple, you guys, it is to send out a broadcast email. Okay, the last thing I want to show you, and this is probably my favorite part about Actionetics, is the action funnels. Now, basically, when somebody joins any one of your email lists, you can then add them into an action funnel. An action funnel is a whole bunch of steps that happen to that person, okay? And so you can see I've set up a bunch here in my company, but it's very simple and easy to do. So I'm gonna say, add new action funnel. I'm gonna call this one, we'll call this webinar demo. Okay, and so I set it up, I say, what list to sign? So when somebody joins my webinar registrant